Hello, my name is Miguel Alejandro. My aim for it holiday is Christmas. It is my very great. It is my favorite holiday because I am constantly time with my family and friends. I love Christmas because there is delicious food, beautiful decoration, and a happy atmosphere. Este, Usually my family uh, I'm family I decorate the Christmas tree, had dinner together, I chase Gilfred. Next Christmas I am going to celebrating with my family. You are going to to the to decorate our house with lights. I am going to prepare the Christmas dinner. You are going to ex- exchange gift I and my friend I am going to take many photos. I am going to enjoy the celebration and had a great time with my love, love what? Thank you from watching my video. Las preguntas. I am going to celebrate. I am my family. You are going to decorate your house with lights. I am going to help prepare the Christmas dinner. We are going to excite with at night. My friend and I going to take many photos. I am going to enjoy the celebration. I am having great time. You my lad what?